Hi everyone, welcome again to this series of completing Power BI in 30 days challenge. And this is the day 10th of this Power BI series. And today we are going to look into the bookmarks, the selection pane, the navigation tools, and the page navigation tooltips, drill down, drill through, and cross report drill through. So let's get started with the bookmarks. Let me start from the scratch. Once you open your Power BI report, you can hover onto the view tab and you will see bookmarks tab over here. You can directly click on this bookmark tab and you will see a new bookmark. So what bookmark is that bookmark allows you to capture the current view of your report page and return it to it later. Suppose bookmark is just like as a screenshot of your data. Like I want to see the report as it is, that is just displaying on the screen. But my colleague or any other kind of person that does not want this pie chart to be present over here, he wants that the donut chart should be present. So there is a conflict of views. So what we can do is we can create a bookmark of this report so that everyone can be satisfied. So to create a bookmark, let's add the views that we want. Like this is my view, that is user one. And to create a second view, I will copy this and paste it over here and arrange it on the top of it and add it to the donut chart. Let's add one more, create a user 2. So there are different kinds of views that we have in this particular report. We will click on the view tab to view our report on the basis of different kinds of user. So we have defined different kinds of functionality of user 1 and user 2, and uh, to perform these steps we use the selection pane to assign what bookmarks will function like which. So we will start by clicking on the selection pane. That this has all of the uh, all of the entities that are present in this particular report. Like this, once I click on the sum of revenue, then we can see that it is selected sum of revenue and the visual that is present in over behind the donut chart. Next we have text. Like it has all of the visuals that we are using in our page. So to update this bookmark, like this bookmark view, so I don't want to see this donut chart. So I will hide this visual and I will assign. Let's hide this visual and click on update. So you can see that once we have updated the view of user 1 and u 2. So to see that if it is working fine or not, I will click on the view tab over here. Then you can see in the bottom bookmark 1 of 2, you are seeing the view of user 1. Then if we click on the user 2, you can see that bookmark 2 of 2, you can see the view of user 2. So that's what we can do with the bookmark. Next, we will move on to drill down and drill through. What are these? Let's get started with it. So what drill down is, it will enable the user to click on the data points and see more detailed information, such as breaking down the sales data from yearly to quarterly. Like we have this chart. So I have drilled down to the next level. Let's see let's see it in the focus mode. So these icons that you have seen over here, that is drilled up and drilled down. I have the hierarchical data, like I have years, quarter, then dates, etc. So to see the more extended view of our dates, we use drill down and drill up. I will drill up to the highest level, that is year of 2024. Then I will drill down to the next level, that is quarter one. Next we have January, February in the quarter one. Next we have the dates that is associated with January and February. So drill down and drill up works like this. And next we will move on to the drill through. So what drill through is help us to navigate to the different report page that provide more detailed view about the specific data point. So to create a drill through, let's create one more page which will contain the value of order number and order quantity that we have ordered and the revenue associated with it. Let's let's go on back to page 2. I want to see that the revenue generated per orders or per order ID. So I want a more detailed view for this. To add this functionality, let's add the drill through pages, the drill through data that we want over here. Like I want to add, you can see the drill through option in your visualization tab. You can add the desired field that you want to see in the drill through. Like I want to see order number and order quantity. Sorry, I have added into different fields. Let's undo it. I will add it. Minus order number. Order number and order quantity in the drill through. Next, move on to the page 3. In the page 3 as well, I want to add order number, order quantity, and the revenue associated with it. We can see that once I have added the categories into the drill through option, you can see that there is a back option present over here. So it is a functionality of Power BI. It can automatically create a back option once you click on the drill through. Let's see. I think revenue is sum of revenue. After right clicking on this revenue part, you can see that there is an option of drill through is present over here, and you can directly navigate to this. You will see that we have the more detailed view of the revenue, that is order number, order quantity, and the revenue associated with each order. So that's what drill through is. It gives you a detailed view about your data. That's it for details view or drill view. And now let's move on to the cross report drill through. Cross report drill through enables user to drill through from one report to another report. Like we have navigated from page to page. Like cross report is used to navigate from one report to another report. It will provide a seamless data exploration experience. So once you click on to the cross report over here by enabling it, once you will upload this file into your service, then you can navigate from one report to another report with the help of cross report. You just have to enable each cross report from each and every page, or the desired page that you want. Next we have next thing we have is that uh, tooltips. So what tooltip is, that provides an additional information when you hover over the visual. Like once I hover over the visual, it will show that some of the retail price is 5,909. So this is what tooltip is. You can see the tooltips that are present in each and every tab. So you can have more detailed view about the data with the help of tooltip. So let's explore the about tooltip. You can create a tooltip of your own. Let's create one tooltip. I will do in the format pane. You can assign the page information about it, and canvas setting. Let's set it to the tooltip. So it will alter your page size to the tooltip size that we have. I will show the customer name associated with the order quantity. How much order the customer have placed with the revenue generated by each customer. Okay, let's adjust it. And the customer name. Okay. So let us see if we can use it as a tooltip or not. We have created the page called tooltip. Let's navigate back to our page, and in this tab, let's search for the tooltip. Tooltip, currently it is auto applied that Power BI uses with its own senses. Let's let's switch it into our tooltip page that we have created. So once I hover onto this, you can see that we have our own tooltip, that is every customer name and sum of revenue that each customer has. So you can do this or this line chart as well. You can see that the tooltip is changing according to the years. For this, we can see that. So this is how you can create tooltips, bookmarks, and selection. Use the selection pane for the bookmarks. You can create a drill through, drill down reports. That's what I was trying to convey you guys. Thank you everyone. This let's continue in our next video. Thanks.